Dear first year students of Purvodala Government College and the viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kaji Asaduzzaman, lecturer, English, Purvodala Government College, Purvodala, Netrokona. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. You know, we are now living on the death belly. We are now living in a critical situation due to COVID-19. In this situation, Purvodala Government College has organized this remedial online class to help you in many ways. Everything is new to you in your college life. Your English book is new. This is your book and this is your new English book. This is English for today for class 11-12. I hope and believe that you will buy this book and you will read this book and you will enjoy my lecture. Today's topic is the unforgettable history. Before going to describe the lesson, we should know what is in this topic. We see that this is the 7 March 1971 history speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Who is that person? Yes, he is an architect of Bangladesh. You know, Mujib was born in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district in the province of Bengal in British India. His father's name is Sheikh Lutfur Rahman and mother's name is Sheikh Shaira Khatun. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was born on 17th March 1920, Tungipara, Bengal Presidency, British India, now in Bangladesh. Nationality, British India, 1920-1947, Pakistani, 1947-1971, Bangladesh, 1971-1975. Education, Islamia College and University of Dhaka. We know how does a man become great. Our topic is the unforgettable history. Lesson 1. Actually, we know that this is unit 1. In this unit, we find people or institutions making history. In Bengali, ইতিহাস সৃষ্টিকারী ব্যক্তিবর্গ বা প্রতিষ্ঠান সমূহ. From this lesson, we know how does a man become great. We can follow and we can know about the words. Actually, these words are very important for you and we know these words are our existence. if we do not know these words, we do not find a great man, we do not find our architect, we do not find our dreamer, we do not find our pioneer. Actually, by this lesson, we know everything. So, you know these words. These words are about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. We see that our Bangabandhu or our Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the leader, benefactor, patron and patriot. He is the father, he is the son, he has humanity, he is liberal, he is religious, he is modern and the best Bengali of 1,000 years, the embodiment of independent Bangladesh, the spirit of liberation war, is the best craftsman to build Bangladesh, architect of Bangladesh, friend of Bengal, the great hero of the great age, father of the nation. From 100 years of Bangabandhu. Now we are going to celebrate 100 years of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Okay, dear students, we know about 7 March speech of Bangabandhu. This 7th March speech of Bangabandhu was a speech given by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the founding father of Bangladesh, on 7 March 1971 at the Ramna Racecourse in Dhaka to a gathering of over 2 million people. It was delivered during a period of escalating tensions between East Pakistan and the powerful political and military establishment of West Pakistan. In this speech, Bangabandhu proclaimed, "This time the struggle is for our freedom. This time the struggle is for our independence." He announced a civil disobedience movement in the province, calling for every house to turn into a fortress. The speech inspired the Bengali people to prepare for a war of independence amid widespread reports of armed mobilization by West Pakistan. The Bangladesh Liberation War began 18 days later. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to know about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, know about the historic speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, understand the meaning of some confusing words. At the end of this session, I hope you will study more and more and be careful about COVID-19. Thanks everybody.